In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a product launch presentation in Prezi. It's an exciting process that allows you to creatively showcase your product, and Prezi offers several unique features to help make your presentation stand out. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into Prezi. If you don't have an account, setting one up is simple, and you'll be guided through it. Once you've logged in, you'll want to open a new presentation. This is your blank canvas, and you're about to transform it into a compelling product launch narrative. Next, you'll need to choose a template. Prezi offers a wide range of templates, but for a product launch presentation, I recommend selecting one that is professional or marketing-focused. These templates are designed to highlight business elements effectively, perfect for presentations that aim to impress and inform a target audience. Now, focus on establishing a main topic. This will serve as the anchor for your presentation. Here, you should add the product name and the launch title. This ensures your audience is immediately aware of the product being introduced. It sets the stage and provides a clear starting point for your narrative. As you continue, think about the subtopics you want to include. I would suggest creating subtopics that highlight aspects like product features, benefits, pricing, and your target audience. This helps in breaking down the presentation into manageable sections, making it easier for your audience to follow along. To make your presentation visually appealing, incorporate images, videos, and even demos that can effectively showcase your product. These elements are crucial in engaging your audience and providing them with a better understanding of what you're offering. Remember, visuals can often communicate more effectively than words alone. Prezi's zoom paths are a key feature you'll want to leverage. Use these to guide your viewers through the product story step by step. The motion creates a sense of flow and makes the presentation more dynamic, which can help keep the audience's attention. As you craft your narrative, be sure to highlight key selling points. Call-outs, or emphasis effects, can be particularly useful here, directing attention to the most critical features or advantages of your product. Finally, round off your presentation with a strong call-to-action frame. Encourage your audience with options for purchasing, signing up, or following up. This actionable step is essential as it transitions your audience from mere viewers to potential customers. And that's how you design a product launch presentation in Prezi. With these steps, you can create a comprehensive and engaging presentation that effectively communicates your product's value to your audience. Thanks for watching, and start designing today.